I'm curious to know how many of you grew up with a half bathroom because being from a third world country, Bernard and I didn't have this back home. So moving to the United States and having a home with a half bathroom the size of full bathrooms back home reminds us just how much our lives have come full circle. Now here's how we transformed this space all in one video. I wish we had a larger window in here because there's just not enough natural light. So our solution to that was to paint all the walls white, and we used Sherwin-Williams Pure White. You guys know us well enough by now to appreciate our fun and different design choices. I wanted to create an affordable accent wall, so I present to you my $12 Sharpie paint pen wall. This is a very easy DIY project that anyone can do if you're willing to be patient and see it through. You can even make this renter friendly, for example, by using washi tape. It took some trial and error to figure out how to get those crisp lines. In the end, taping each line off gave a much better result than just drawing them with a ruler. Accent walls are my favorite, so I figured why not add a second one in here. I love hexagon tiles, and I've always had this idea to create sort of an art piece using a combination of colors. No, we didn't use spacers, and yes, that was intentional because I wanted the variation in depth and dimension, which I think just adds to the uniqueness and beauty of it all. This was Bernard's first time installing tile, and he totally rocked it. I found ceramic tile caulk at our local Home Depot, which matched each tile perfectly and really cleaned up the look. Wait till you see it. Bernard decided to build our sink vanity, which I think just added to the custom feel of the space. He glued a lot of pine boards together for this project, and once constructed, I stained the entire thing a mix of natural and early American. Then I applied several coats of poly. As if one custom piece wasn't enough, he had the audacity to include even more functionality by building a modern storage cabinet, which is actually the largest piece of furniture he's built so far. Now, let me remind you once again what the original space looked like, and here's our fully transformed half bathroom. I did my best to get you guys a full 360 view because only then can you really appreciate the details and craftsmanship that went into this project. I've linked as many of the products as I could in the description box, so I hope you find that helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked the update.